That's good.
Okay.
That's good.
All right.
Yeah, I know it's a big area, but we got to start somewhere, don't we? How soon can you get our guys up there?
Okay, so this is where the storm was. I checked it out on the internet. So the plane probably landed somewhere around here. And this is where we should start looking. We should probably drive out there right now.
Amy, you heard what the officer said. It'd be like looking for a flea on a football field.
We've got to do something, Grandpa.
Well, what we can do is we can stay calm. We're probably going to get a call any minute saying they're just fine. What did I say? Hello? Yeah, it's your dad. Yeah. You're fine. All right, I'll see you. He's on his way over. Mallory, I should drive you home. It's getting late.
No, I want to be here in case we hear something. I phoned my parents. They understand. Hello? Badger, oh my God. It's Ty and Scott. Can't find them. Don't even know where to start.
Hey,
Hey,
what are you doing?
People have to eat, right? Scott had only had his license for a few months. What if he had to? I mean, maybe he wasn't experienced enough to.
Hey, listen. Search and rescue have volunteer crews all over the area, okay? If they're out there, you're gonna find them.
don't say if. There is no if. They'll find them. Hey, Harley. You're a good boy.
Amy. Honey.
Dad.